Hello everyone, I would like to show you today how to use Shopify Web Scraper. So, shortly about me, my name is Nikolai. I work at mydataprovider.com. Let me show you our website. So we provide web scraping services and for Shopify also. So you could use our Shopify Universal Web Scraper, our Shopify Web Scraper for extracting data from Shopify. So it works for you without authorization, and mean that any website which works using Shopify engine, you could extract data from this website, and it's really easily. And I will show you how to extract data through mydataprovider.com web scraping service. Firstly, I would like to show you how to understand that website is Shopify, because not everyone knows how to do that. Here is website is Shopify based. Okay, let me show you how to check it. You have to open website you want to scrape through Shopify Web Scraper. After that, click on View Page Source, and here inside Page Source cdn.shopify. If you see such lines inside Page Source, it means that in 99% that this website is Shopify based, and you could extract all product info from this website. And I will show you how to do that. It's really easy. Okay, how to scrape data. So when you log in into Shopify, not Shopify, sorry, into our web scraper under URL data.mydataprovider.com, you have to add Shopify Universal Scraper into your account, into your campaign. So how it works, you have account, it is email based account. Under account you have campaigns, a lot of campaigns, and I have here maybe more than 20 campaigns, and I have here campaign for Shopify Scraper, and under this campaign I added Web Scraper, Shopify Universal Scraper, Shopify Web Scraper. And when it is done, what we have to do, we have to define parameters for running, and it's really easy. So the easiest way how to do that, you go to, there are two ways how to open, through export config in the left menu or through define parameters for running. Let's go to through export config. Oh, sorry, not here. You have to go to define parameters, but for running, yeah. Export config, it will be the next. And here we have to define how to extract data. This part, if you want to read exactly what does it mean, we go to our documentation of our website, go to solutions, web scraping, scraping and runner. Go to solutions, runner in website, and here you could find specific product category scraping, and here you could find how to define categories for scraping. But shortly, if we want to scrape my category name 1. You have to define this char after your category name. It could be any. After keyword pass, and after keyword pass, a link to Shopify website, HTTPS, etc. Okay, and save it. When you save it, you have to click here that you want to scrape this category scraper. Okay, it's done. And when it's done, we have to go to export config and here define how we want to save data. To save into Excel or CSV or maybe to Shopify. If you want to export to Shopify CSV, select here Shopify. If you select here CSV, it will be universal CSV. It is good for opening, for adding data, but not good for Shopify. If you need Shopify CSV, select here Shopify file. Or maybe you want to select XML for Shopify Web Scraper. I don't know, maybe Excel, maybe JSON. Anyway, I like, for example, Excel and save it because it's really easily to open, it is easily to edit after scraping. When configuration is done, let's go to scraping section, and here we will run scraper. How to do it? Go to run scraper button, click on it, set here, for example, nick test label for naming this run, then click run. Let's wait for when it will be finished. For example, I tested today. Last time it took about 7 or 8 minutes for scraping this website. And let's say show you results from the previous run. Here is results. You could download file, you could open view data button, and here you see categories from this website. Here you could see products which were extracted in all data, all prices, all SKUs. So it's good. It's really good, and you could use it for importing data into your website, or for analyzing if it's your competitor, or for selling if it's your supplier, seller. So you could use it for any case what you want, because this info is public and you could use it for analyzing. Okay, that's all about web scraping. Don't forget that you have to wait for when your web scraping task will be finished. When task will be finished, you will receive email notification about that. If file is less than 20 megabytes, you will get this file in attachment to email. Result of Shopify Web Scraper, you will get to email in attachment. If file result is higher than 20 megabytes, you just receive email notification and you will get a link to file that you could download. I also could tell you that it's possible to results through API, but it is a separate question. I don't want to take your time about that, but it's not hard to configure API and to receive data from API. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your time. Hope you could run a Shopify Universal Web Scraper and to get results from any Shopify website. Yeah. Have a good day. Bye.